Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to increase the sound. Okay, by default sound, right, it will be very less, but I'm going to enhance it. Okay, before that you just go to the settings. Okay, on this back side we have a button, so you need to tap on that and then go to sound. Okay, and already it's set to 100%, but still the volume is not good. This is ASUS Tough Gaming Monitor VG28UQ L1A. So lot of ASUS monitor you will not get the proper sound. Example, I am going to play the default sound here of this NCS music. It's 100%. Sorry, hear the sound. Now I am going to increase. Okay, even I have a full volume. So what you need to do is go to this website fxsound.com. So go to this website fxsound.com, this website, download it and install FX Sound and launch it, and then launch it. Now you need to turn it on. First you will see the difference. So now I'm going to turn it on. See, now it is in general. Now it is in general mode. Okay, even if I am changing to gaming mode, you can see that. So I'm going to change it to see. Also you can enhance it. See, so you need to choose your speaker. You need to choose your speaker properly. Okay, also you can check. You need to change this. You need to select this FX Sound Audio Enhancer. But really it's cool, seriously. You can see the difference now. Now if I'm going to play right, see, this is the normal sound. Now I'm going to enhance it. You can feel the difference, right? Guys, definitely this video will be very much helpful. I will be providing the link in the description so you can download and you can enhance your audio on your PC for this monitor, ASUS monitor. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to me. Thank you. Bye. Take care.